Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 12 Plus, and let me show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, in Messages, and now this is the most important thing, we will need this icon. If you do not have it right here, no worries, now I will show you how to activate it. So let's go to the settings, let's scroll down and tap on the system, choose the languages and input, and tap on virtual keyboard. Let's tap on HTC keyboard because we are currently using it, and tap on languages. Let's choose the very first option, switch language by, and make sure that this option is marked, so the language switch key, not the swiping on spacebar. So okay, if you are done with all those options and this customization, then we can go back to the keyboard, and let's tap on this icon and hold it. Now we can tap on Add a Language, and here we've got the list of all languages from which we can choose, which we can apply. So let me pick something, maybe this one. Just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and now we can get back to the keyboard. Let's tap on it, and we can tap on this icon in order to change the languages. So now I'm typing French actually, and then I can tap and change to the previously chosen language. So now let me show you how to remove the language. Just tap on this icon again and hold it, and click on Add a Language. Now let's find the language you want to remove, so it is this one. Make sure that it is unticked, so simply tap on it. Let's get back, and as you can see, we do not have this keyboard applied. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video is helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.